The circuit you see in my hand is a simple 12 volt to 220 volt AC inverter. Today, you are going to see how to build an inverter using it. So, let's get started. This is a very simple circuit module. For the sake of clear explanation, I have marked the negative connection point of the battery here. Right beside it, on the small printed circuit board, is the positive terminal. On the exact opposite side, there are two 220 volt AC output terminals. It features two widely popular D880 transistors, two 390 ohm resistors, a coil, a transformer, and a capacitor. The circuit diagram is shown in the picture. To keep the module safe, I have also collected a casing. An AC female socket and a switch are fitted into the casing to draw out the output voltage. To connect the 12-volt battery, I took black and red wires equipped with proper locking connectors. I connected the red wire, which is the positive input, to the switch. From the middle terminal of the switch, I connected a thick copper wire and attached it to the positive terminal of the module. Using a thick copper wire, I connected one terminal of the AC female socket to one of the output poles of the module board. Similarly, I connected the other AC female socket terminal to the remaining output pole of the module board using a thick copper wire. Finally, for the negative battery input, I connected the black wire to the negative point of the module. With that, the module setup is complete. Now let's connect the battery and test it. The battery connections must be made correctly. After connecting the battery, I turned on the switch and saw that the output indicator lit up properly. Then I plugged a mobile charger into the AC socket, and it is working perfectly. Anyway, today I worked with a very simple module. However, there are many other inverter modules available that offer much better performance. Also, using a good quality, high-ampere battery provides a much longer-lasting AC output. If you liked today's video, please give it a like and share it. And don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions. Best wishes to you.